The United States Supreme Court has held that if a trial court grants a defendant's motion for a mistrial, the Double Jeopardy Clause ordinarily doesn't prevent a retrial. But what if the defendant's motion was based on prosecutorial misconduct during trial? Does the clause prevent a retrial in that situation? The court addressed this issue in Oregon v. Kennedy. Bruce Kennedy, a rug dealer, was charged with theft of a decorative rug. At his first trial, the prosecution called Otto Ewaldsen, an expert on rugs, to testify about the type and value of the rug that Kennedy allegedly stole. On cross-examination, the defense counsel tried to prove that Ewaldsen was biased by having him admit that he'd filed a criminal complaint against Kennedy in a different case. On redirect examination, the prosecutor asked why Ewaldsen had filed the complaint against Kennedy, but the trial court sustained the defense counsel's objection to this question. The prosecutor then asked whether Ewaldsen had ever done business with Kennedy, and Ewaldsen answered negatively. The prosecutor then asked, quote, "Is that because he is a crook?" unquote. In response, on defense counsel's motion, the court declared a mistrial. When the prosecutor announced her intent to retry Kennedy, Kennedy moved to dismiss the case under the Double Jeopardy Clause. After a hearing, the court found that the prosecutor hadn't intended to cause a mistrial when she had asked the objectionable question. The court held that a retrial thus wouldn't constitute double jeopardy. Kennedy appealed to the Oregon Court of Appeals, which held that a retrial would violate the Double Jeopardy Clause. The appellate court accepted the trial court's finding that it wasn't the prosecutor's intent to cause a mistrial. However, that court held that a retrial nevertheless was barred because the mistrial occurred as a result of prosecutorial overreaching in the form of a direct personal attack on Kennedy's character. The Oregon Supreme Court denied the state's petition for review. The state successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court to review Kennedy's case.